watching the award-winning GHS-TV, a nationally recognized student television station.
Good evening. I'm Dr. John Stencil. I'm your principal here at Germantown High School. I want to welcome you to another open house for the 25-26 school year. We are a little bit different the way that we do our open house. So if you've not been here before, I want you to remember this is truly an open house. We do not run a bell schedule. We invite you to visit whoever you need to visit with. We encourage you to track all of our administrators down, including me, if you want to have a conversation, have any questions, or just want to meet us. Thank you for coming out tonight, and I look forward to seeing you soon.
Good evening. I'm Dr. Gore, and I oversee guidance. This is my 15th year at Germantown High, and I'm excited to be at the best school in Memphis. To that end, I want to encourage all our students to take advantage of the many clubs, athletics, and academic opportunities that GHS has to offer. My email address is on the screen. If there's anything I can do to help, don't hesitate to reach out.
Hello, and welcome to the 2025-26 school year. I am one of the assistant principals, Ms. Fain. I'm the 12th grade administrator and testing coordinator. My office is located in the M building next door to the library. Your behavior and discipline directly affect your Germantown High School experience. Remember to dress appropriately, follow the school rules, and be respectful. Have a great year.
Greetings. My name is Torrin Hardy, and I'm the 11th grade assistant principal here at Germantown High School. My responsibilities are attendance. Students, I implore you to come to school every day and be on time. If you need me, you can find me in the C office. Go Red Devils.
Welcome back, Germantown High School. I am Ms. Pirtle, one of your assistant principals. I am the special education administrator and the administrator over AP testing. If you guys have any questions about students that have some type of plan, whether it's an IEP, 504, or RTI, please see me. My office is located over in the M building.
My name is Mr. Damian Longino. I'm one of the assistant principals here at Germantown High School. I am over the 9th and 10th grade levels. My responsibilities are the discipline coordinator, athletic administrator, and operations administrator. I'm looking forward to a great year with you this year, and go Red Devils.
Greetings, Germantown High School family. Welcome back to the 2025-2026 school year. I am Dr. Jarita A. Mitchell, assistant principal at Germantown High School. My office is located in the B as in best building. At this time, I am the administrator over the math department. If there are any concerns regarding math teachers, please make sure you can reach out to me.
Good evening, freshman parents. My name is Rose Clemenson. I'm the 9th grade professional counselor. My office is in V building. I'm happy with your choice of Germantown High School for your child's education. Germantown is built on many legacies, but not any as great as the students who make up our school. Please enjoy your evening and have a good tour of our school. Thank you.
Greetings and welcome back to another amazing year here at Germantown High School. I am Dr. Cunningham, your 10th grade counselor. I am here to support you throughout this academic journey. Whether you have questions, concerns, or simply need a listening ear, please do not hesitate to stop by my office located in Building B or reach out via email. Enjoy your visit, and I look forward to partnering with you and your student for a successful year.
Good evening, and welcome to our open house. My name is Ms. Lee, and I am the 11th grade counselor here at GHS. My contact information is listed below, and the quickest way to reach me is through email. Enjoy your visit tonight, and parents, I look forward to working with you and your junior students. Thank you.
Welcome to Germantown High, and good evening. My name is Miss Winston, and I'm the 12th grade counselor. My contact information is listed below, the quickest way to reach me being through email. Parents, enjoy this evening, and I look forward to working with you and your senior students. Thank you.
Good evening. I am Dr. Wendy Willingham, College and Career Counselor for Germantown High School. I am beginning my 24th year as a professional school counselor for Memphis Shelby County Schools, and I am so excited to work with you as you make post-secondary plans. Whether your plans include college, vocational training,
joining the armed forces, or going to work, I'm here to help you get there.
Good evening, parents and students. My name is Martha Morris, and I serve as the Advanced Academics Counselor. As our IB program comes to an end, we are happy to announce a new optional program. The Collegiate Academy of GHS encourages intellectual growth, critical thinking, community service, and academic excellence. If you are a motivated college-bound student who loves to be challenged, we encourage you to apply. The MSCS portal is currently open for applications for 9th, 10th, and 11th grade students. Should you need additional information, please drop by M106 or email Kim Tucker or Martha Morris. We would love to have you join us.
Hello, Germantown family. I'm Ms. Harris, and I serve as the PTSO president at Germantown High School. I would like to do a quick introduction. This is Jordan Coley, our PTSO president, and this is Carolina Lance, our vice president.
Hello, Germantown High family. I'm Jordan Coley, your student president for the GHS Parent-Teacher-Student Organization. As student president, I'm here to make sure every student's voice is heard and that we all feel connected, supported, and proud to call GHS home. I've been involved with PTSO because I believe when students, parents, and teachers work together, we can make our school stronger for everyone. PTSO registrations opens this September, and we'll love for you and your family to be a part of what we're building together. Thank you for tuning in, and I cannot wait to see you around campus and make this an amazing 2025-2026 school year.
Good afternoon, students and parents. I am Dr. Camille Collins, and I am Germantown High School's Student Government Association sponsor. I am so excited for this year. SGA has so many events planned, beginning with our very first pep rally on August the 23rd, as Coach Dean and the boys take on our crosstown rivals, Houston High School. Seniors, we cannot wait to see your custom senior shirts and your camo. But just a gentle reminder to our underclassmen, camo is a senior privilege here on campus. Your day will come. SGA is also looking forward to the week of September the 22nd for the 2026 Homecoming Week. Be on the lookout for QR codes to run for Homecoming Princess and Homecoming Queen. For our seniors, the dues for the Senior Activities Package will be due on October the 10th, and we have a jam-packed year for you guys, beginning with our senior night on October the 30th. We'll also have Celebrity Night on December the 13th, where we will crown Mr. and Miss Germantown High School. As a proud Red Devil for 30 years, I am thrilled to share in the excitement with our incoming 9th grade class. As you begin your incredible journey here at Germantown High School, I want you to always remember to open your hearts, offer love, support, and kindness to one another. You grow, learn, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Welcome to Red Devil Nation.
Hi, I'm Allison Long. I am the coordinator of our Creative and Performing Arts program. If you are a part of our program, or if you would like to be, you can come find me in upstairs C building. You are always welcome to contact me at the information found on your screen. Hope you have a great year.
For more information about the Kappa program, visit ghskappa.com or call 755-7775.